listener, can you say in this court that you are innocent?
Yes, I am innocent.
Oh, really, huh? So, why all the evidences pointing you? Well, not me, not them, but you.
I can answer that question, Your Honor.
You answered directly my question, and
I didn't kill my mother! It was only a distilled water. I killed her because I do love her. These hands that give life to many, killed her because of my love to her. Ladies and gentlemen of this honorable court, tell me, ladies and gentlemen of this honorable court, listen to me. Listen to my story before you give my verdict. I am Dr. Urbano, a cancer specialist. I was born in a slum district of Lingayen. My father? Oh, I don't know him, for I am a child of faith. My mother brought me up in such determination, and my ambition was to escape the filthy and horrible place of Lingayen. I was nourished with hope that someday I might live a life different from her. My mother had a burning faith that she turned the nights into days. My mother, who had given her whole life to me, had tears in her eyes as she pinned the gold medal into my proud breast. Later on, I was sent as a scholar of the Philippines to the United States of America. I embraced my mother tightly as I reached the plane. Mother, mother, I whispered, you will always be the best mother in the world. After 4 years, I became a cancer specialist. I gave my mother everything, but I was too late. I, who was used to ease the pain of many, came too late to the life of my dying mother. I gave the best treatment, but the grasp of death was so tight around her. My God! What is the use of 10 years of study if I couldn't even use it to my mother's pain? Then one night, I heard a strange cry. I ran to her room. Do you love me, child? She asked, as I embraced her. Yes, mother. If only I could get all your pain and agonies. Then, if you love me and my sufferings, heal me. Let me die. But mother, I promise to give life and not to end it. She did not deserve the unhappiness. She deserves to be happy! I went to my room and came back innocently. Mother, please forgive me. Now, ladies and gentlemen, give your verdict. It was only distilled water which ended the sufferings of my mother. Judge me! Punish me! Go! Punish me! Thine will be done. I killed her.